Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to talk about how to use your phone as a mic in OBS Studio. So let's get started. First we are going to need an app called WO Mic or WO Mic. I'm going to show you it. So on our phone you will need this app WO Mic, WO Mic. You need to download this on your app from your Play Store, download it and open it. Now we need to download the same app on our PC. Open your browser, search for WO Mic PC, WO Mic, and download. Install client on PC, select from here WO Mic, click on it and it will start downloading. Now after you download it, you will find a file like this, an installer. This is it, WO Mic client setup. Open it and install it on your PC. Okay, next WO Mic driver, Windows 10. Okay, select your Windows from here, Windows version. Next, install. I want to reboot later. Okay, finish. Now we have our WO Mic working in our phone, and on our PC we have the WO Mic client. Let's open it. Right now it says disconnected, so go to connections and click connect. Select USB, or you can use Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi direct or Bluetooth if you want. Right now let's start by USB and click on connect. On your phone, click on the start. So let's start again, connect. Right now it says connected, and on my phone you see once you click on this part here, the play button, you click on it and then connect on your phone, connections, connect, it will start working. Right now you can add a mic in OBS Studio. Go to settings, audio, mic 2. Let's select from here, we have WO Mic. Okay. As you can see right now, when I start talking, it starts moving too, and it's recording. I'm going to mute it. So as you can see, it's just like any other mic on your phone. You can use it also outside of OBS because it's connected on your phone. If I go to control panel here and scroll sound, you will find in recording we have WO Mic here, microphone, and it's working. You can add it in any other app. You can add it in OBS Studio and add filters to it. So this was it, just fast and easy. You can also use it with any other app of the camera like Iron Webcam or Direct Cam OBS. But this is just it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.